Here you have Rengoku.
In this video, I will reproduce his haircut, color, and the style with the ponytail.
Rengoku, roll the tape.
In order to get this look, I did 2 lining processes. This step can be done after the haircut is done. To start the haircut, section the hair isolating the perimeter around the head using about 3 fingers around the perimeter. I will fasten the inside with a ponytail, using a French twist. I will cut the back of the hair on a horizontal straight line using point cutting. Establish the length of the front by using the eyebrow as a guide, and carve this area using the razor on freeform. Continue to the sides following a concave line. To recreate the layers on the sideburns, I will create 2 different sections. The first at the height of the temples and a diagonal back. And the second at the height of the chin and horizontal. I was very excited to do this video for you guys. It's a little more extravagant anime style. I hope you guys love it. The length will look good as long as it passes the shoulders. To connect the front of the haircut with the back, I will cut with the razor and a diagonal, using the chin as a guide and connecting the front with the length in the back. I would love to make more videos with this series. What will be your suggestions? To create the explosion of layers on this style, I will cut the area inside of the ponytail all at once. I will twist the hair on the area of the crown, and with the point cutting technique, I will cut 4 fingers of length. And voila, all the layers are done. To finish these layers on the back, I will use the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs, and I will cut the heavy corner to give it more movement on the tips. Next week, I will recreate Hanji style from Attack on Titans. I hope you guys watching the series now. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see how my next look is turning out. Plus, you can check out all the other looks that I've done on the past. Plus, it's very easy to see all the looks that I've done on the past, so you can watch it on YouTube if you like. To create the short layers on top of the head, I will make another ponytail and connect the front guide to the back using the point cutting technique. To reproduce the fire effect on the color, I will dry the hair on his current form. First, apply the neon yellow shade. If you don't have access to this product, look for a bright warm yellow. Apply the color in some parts of the bangs, at the roots on the sideburns, and in some desired strands all the way to the tips. For the reddish tips of color, look for a deep red with orange base. Apply it to the designated areas and spread the color by painting over the yellow. This will create a transition of color from yellow to red. Use your fingers to create some more diffusion and blending. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos in the future. When you finish with the front part, apply the color to the rest of the hair with the yellow, minus the mid-lengths and the tips on the back. In these areas, I will use the reddish color and I will blend it with the yellow roots. To dry the hair, use paste from 1821. The drying process is very simple. I will dry 90% with my fingers, giving it just direction. After that, I will use a little bit the round brush to give a shape to the ends and volume to the roots. Texturize the bangs so we can make it stand up. Apply the right color with your fingers at the ends of the ponytail to create the color on the tips of the layers. Texturize the tips to your liking to create a natural finish. And with the razor, add texture and direction to the layers. Wax from 1821 will help me to create the ideal texture and volume for the Rengoku style. Add a small ponytail on the crown to concentrate all the red ends. Use the hairspray to define the ends and ensure that the bangs stay up.
This is Angel del Solar, the Hairbender.